Factorization of algebraic expression. Today's topic 4x square minus 13x minus 12. It's a quadratic equation. We will factorize this one. This case, here is x square and coefficient is 4 and here constant is 12. So once we multiply 4 times 12 we will get 48. So these 48 we have to segregate. It means we have to find out a number, two number. Once we multiply we will get 48, and once we make addition we will get minus 13x. So how? We have to find out two numbers. This case, the best way is we have to factorize these 48. We have to find out the factors of 48. Suppose 48 we can write 1 times 48, but 48 minus 1 is not 13. 2 times 24. So 24 times 2 is 48, but 24 minus 2 is not 13. Then 3 times 16. This is interesting thing. 16 minus 3 is a 13. So we have to simplify by these two numbers. So look, this is 16 times 3 is 48, and then minus 16 plus 3, it will be minus 13. So we can write like this way: 4x square minus 16x plus 3x minus 12. Now we can take common from these two algebraic expression. Here is 4 and here is 16. We can take common 4. Here is x square and here is x. We also can take common x. So 4x square divided 4x, so it will be only x, minus 16 divide 4 is a 4, x divide x is a 1. So here is only x minus 1, plus 3. We can take common this 3. So here is x minus 12 divide 3 is a 4. Okay. Now here is x minus 4, x minus 4. So also we can take common this one, x minus 4. So here will be 4x plus 3. And this is our answer. 4x square minus 13x minus 12. If we factorize, we will get x minus 4 times 4x plus 3. So if you understand, it's very good. If you don't, please write a line in the comment section. I have two platforms. I want to share this one. One is Pencil, which is my Facebook page, and SatX is my YouTube channel. I hope both platforms you will subscribe and follow, and also share with your friends. Thank you.